Charles Stark Draper Prize for Engineering was established by the National Academy of Engineering and endowed by the Charles Stark Draper Laboratory Incorporated in 1988 to honor the memory of Doc Draper, the father of inertial navigation, and to increase public understanding of the contributions of engineering to the freedom and well-being of humanity. The prize recognizes engineers responsible for technological developments that have transformed modern life. Doc Draper was an educator who trained generations of students at MIT. His belief that education needed a hands-on component led him to establish the instrumentation laboratory within MIT's aeronautics department. In 1973, MIT divested the laboratory, thus creating Draper, an independent, not-for-profit engineering solutions company. The Draper Prize acknowledges working solutions rather than theoretical discoveries. Examples of past winners include the developers of controlled drug delivery systems, creators of the GPS, inventors of the cell phone, innovators in wireless communications, and pioneers of personal computers and the Internet. Without these remarkable engineering achievements, much that we take for granted in our day-to-day lives would not exist. The 2024 Draper Prize is awarded to Dr. Stuart Parkin for engineering spintronic technologies, enabling digital information storage that serves as a foundation for today's data-driven world. Spin electronics, or spintronics, goes beyond conventional charge-based devices and technologies and makes use of a quantum mechanical phenomenon that has unique properties, the electron spin. In the mid-1990s, Parkin demonstrated a sensing device that detected the magnetic spin of electrons, making it possible to manufacture hard disk drives that could store and read thousands of times the amount of data than before. Spintronics technologies opened up the possibilities to construct non-volatile memory storage devices with high storage density, low power consumption, and fast operation that are inexpensive and robust. Dr. Parkin is an experimental physicist and director at the Max Planck Institute of Microstructure Physics in Halle, Germany, and an Alexander von Humboldt professor at the Institute of Physics of the Martin Luther University, Halle-Wittenberg, Germany. His research interests include spintronic materials and devices for advanced sensor, memory, and logic applications, oxide thin film heterostructures, topological metals, exotic superconductors, and cognitive devices. Parkin was elected to the NAE in 2009, and he is also an elected fellow or member of 7 professional science and engineering societies, including the Royal Society, Royal Academy of Engineering, National Academy of Sciences, and the German National Academy of Science Leopoldina. Parkin has received 4 honorary doctorates, published more than 685 papers, holds more than 126 patents, and has given approximately 1,000 invited talks around the world. Today, more than 70% of all data is stored in massive arrays of magnetic disk drives, each of which uses Parkin's spintronic reading devices. These vast digital server libraries, often called cloud storage, allow for universal access to information. Social networking tools, the world's libraries, music and films, and advances in many fields such as public health, internet banking, e-commerce, logistics, and surveillance are also made possible by the enormous data storage capacity of these spintronic devices. In recognition of these innovations that have transformed our world, we award Dr. Stuart Parkin the 2024 Charles Stark Draper Prize for Engineering.